In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize your email campaign with a recipient's name. Personalizing your emails with a name is a simple touch that can make messages feel more relevant and human, and it often improves open and click rates. I'll walk you through exactly how to insert a name field into your email, explain what to look for, and share a few tips so your greeting looks clean and professional. Start by opening the email campaign you want to personalize. This could be a draft, a template, or a campaign you've already been working on. Make sure you're in the editor view where you can adjust content blocks. Personalization relies on the contact information stored in your audience list. So if a name exists for a recipient, the platform will be able to pull it in automatically. Next, click the text block where you want the person's name to appear. Most people add it to the greeting at the top, but you can place it anywhere in the message where addressing the reader makes sense. With the text block selected, place your cursor exactly where you want the name to go. For example, you might type hi, add a space, and then position the cursor right after the comma so the name appears in the right spot. Open the personalization or contact detail option in your editor. Different platforms label this slightly differently, so look for buttons or menus called personalization, merge tags, variables, or contact details. It's often available in the text formatting toolbar or as a small icon that looks like a tag or a person. From that menu, choose first name or full name. First name is great for a friendly conversational tone, while full name can feel more formal. When you select the field, the editor will insert a placeholder into your text block, something like a tag or variable. Don't worry if it looks like code. It will automatically swap in each recipient's name when the campaign sends. Check your spacing and punctuation so the line reads naturally, like Hi Maria or Hello Maria Smith, with a comma if that fits your style. Finally, preview the email to make sure the name field appears correctly. Use your platform's preview feature to see how the greeting renders for a typical contact and scan the spacing, capitalization, and punctuation. If your platform offers sample data, try a few examples to confirm the formatting still looks clean. That's it. By placing your cursor carefully, selecting the right personalization field, and checking the preview, you'll add a warm, professional touch that helps your emails connect with readers.